Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful painting. This is a Jharoka art. Jharoka literally means a window, and this is Lord Krishna seen from the window. For this we are taking a canvas. I've cut out the window shape which I want, and now I'm tracing it on the canvas. You can use any base like MDF board too. Now I'm double outlining this. Now I'm making random divisions and steps on it. If you want to copy the same thing, you can make the same pattern on the base. Now I'm taking chrome yellow and I'm painting the window. Now first shade teal blue and sky blue I'm merging together. Light tone orange, middle tone red plus orange, and darker tone red plus orange plus brown. Olive green, leaf green plus olive green, and leaf green at the last. Red and red plus black. These are the colors. Blue plus red plus violet gives this purple shade, and I'm making this purple shade. Dark tone blue, middle tone blue plus little white, and I'm keeping on adding white to make this shade. So it looks something like this. Now for the stencil for decorating, I am taking 7 cm square. You can take according to your canvas too. This is a 7 cm square and I am cutting out now. Now I am folding it diagonally once, twice, thrice and 4 times. Now I am cutting out the design which I want. You can cut out any random design. If you are a beginner, then you can draw the design and then cut it out. I've cut a random design with diamonds. I'm going to make 3 or 4 of them for the whole painting. This is one of the design, and now I am keeping it on the teal blue and I'm making this design with the help of golden color. You have to just tap it and just remove it at the same time, holding it from both the corners. Now the bigger design, I'm putting it twice on the red side. You can also use some other design. I'm going to tell you all the different types of design in this video, so keep watching and do try this out. I made 2 such, and now using a 3D outliner, I'm making 1 line, 2 line, and now I'm adding leaves like this. The place where it's left, I am also adding gold color design like this. Now for the teal blue part, I'm using normal blue and I'm making these kind of flowers with green dots in middle. Now I'm putting golden dots on top of it to make a boundary, and after that I'm adding some diamonds strings to cover the space. I'm adding green dots too over here. Now using golden, the technique to do this is draw 3 lines and then make these kind. I'm using some tools to make the white dots and the red dots. You can use any tools. I've chosen the liquid embroidery caps. Again, one more stencil I'm making. Now I'm doing a Zentangle or mandala design in the orange part using black. You can do any mandala design. The leftover part, I am putting some golden spirals. Now I have these ready-made stencils and I am adding a leaf in the green. I am adding small diamonds using red in this green. And now I am adding golden dots in between and some stems. It looks so beautiful, right? Our last box, that is the blue one, I'm going to add an embroidery design like this at the top using purple color, green and golden. Now I'm making a beautiful flower. Now let us go to the main Jharoka part. I'm adding some clay at the edges to give the 3D look. Now I'm adding some design, 4 lines using a scale and 4 dots using a pencil. I'm painting this whole thing golden. And now using glass colors, I'm filling the dots which I made using the pencil. The glass colors which I'm using are red and green. You can also skip this step. Now I'm taking for the deco page part Mod Podge. I'm sticking the printout of the picture and applying one more coat of deco page. And our painting is ready. It's so simple and easy to make. Do try this out and it looks so beautiful to decorate your homes. Do like, share, subscribe and comment below.